Are you moving to Canada and want to get your driver's license as fast as possible? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly what you need to do to speed up the process and avoid wasting time and money. Let's get started. Before you even land in Canada, take good driving practice in home country. The better your skills, the faster you'll pass your test here. Also, make sure to get your driving abstract. Make sure you have original copy with you, otherwise it's not gonna work. This document proves your experience. It should show at least 2 years of driving history, but more is even better. Once you're in Canada, your first step is to pass the G1 test. This is a written test about Ontario's driving rules and signs. You can study online using practice tests, and once you pass, you're officially in the system. Now don't just hop into a car and try your luck. Find an MTO-approved driving school, like Growing Star Driving School, and get proper training from a certified driving instructor. This will help you learn the right techniques and pass your test on the first try. Skipping proper training can cost you more in failed tests and wasted time. A professional instructor will teach you the exact skills needed to pass your G2 or G test with confidence. With the right training, you'll be ready to pass your road test and get your Canadian driver's license quickly. So don't waste time. Follow these steps, stay focused, and you'll be driving in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about getting your license in Canada. Safe driving and see you in the next video.